So it's your girl Aya coming at you guys today, showing you a quick little styling video on the Ywigs Brazilian curly bob. I have it in a 14-inch. I just wanted to show you guys that you can style this in a cute little natural looking ponytail. I love this wig. It doesn't look wiggy at all. The hair is bomb, y'all. The hair is an amazing quality. I've been wearing this wig off and on since I received it, and I've experienced very little shedding, no tangling. It takes product very well, as you guys can see. So you don't really need to do too much to this wig when you get it. Just make sure you guys wash it, of course, and then add your styling products to it. I've been using the A Lot of Body Milk and Honey collection for my choice of styling products for this wig, and the Milk and Honey collection is doing this wig just like some justice because it makes the curls pop so much. So I'm gonna stop rambling on. Make sure you guys are definitely sharing the videos, watching them. The more you share, the more visible my channel becomes, and that also will definitely help me tremendously. Okay, so thanks in advance. If you want to see more styling videos like this, comment down below. Make sure you guys are following me on social media. I'm Aya all day on Facebook and Instagram. Purchase links to this wig will be in the description box, and also my social media links will be in the description box. So I'm gonna talk to y'all dolls later, and I'll have another review coming up for y'all really soon. Thank you so much for watching and always supporting. It is greatly appreciated, and it does not go unnoticed. So dolls, I'll see y'all later. Enjoy.